If we close our eyes and think of the word engineer, who do we see? 100 years ago, we might have seen someone designing bridges and railways. Today, we might think of someone coding software. But who will we consider engineers 100 years into the future? In the continuous march of technological development and accelerating innovation, what we might think of as an engineer seems to be changing ever more rapidly. Engineering education, therefore, faces a similar need for change.
There is a constant need for re- and upskilling because technologies change, the workplace changes, competition changes.
Things you might have learned 10, 15 years ago in your study program tend to be outdated. And since we have this VUCA environment, every profession, but especially also engineers from their technical view, have to upskill themselves, have to learn something, and we call it lifelong learning.
To be successful in their careers, engineers need access to the latest knowledge, and perhaps even more, the ability to keep pace with continuous change. So, likewise, the university must also shift its focus towards lifelong learning.
I think that's one of the tasks of university, that we have a look what society needs, what the industrial demands are, and react to them. And we need somebody who can support in this process, who can handle these complex topics or can handle these challenges the professional engineers have. We need experts, and we call these experts learning professionals.
Learning professionals develop new curricula that are quickly adaptable to emerging technologies and serve as bridge builders in nurturing partnerships between research and industry. But they are also responsible for fostering a cultural shift among educators and students, engaging working professionals in ongoing education, and securing resources to ensure the financial sustainability of these programs.
On the one hand, learning professionals need knowledge in a specific engineering subject, but of course they should know how to design effective educational courses.
Is somebody who connects research to the latest technology trends. It's also those who administer all the trainings. And of course, when you're teaching, you always have to deal with motivation and how to empower other people to learn and how to communicate science and how to communicate the latest research results.
The goal of the BoostEuroTeQ project is to study learning professionals at EuroTech universities to enable their career path by creating a qualification framework and training program, and to develop strategies to provide specific upskilling courses tailored for future engineers. Find out more about the qualification framework for the EuroTech learning professional, analysis on the needs of future engineers, and policy recommendations for enhancing lifelong learning in engineering education.